Hey, it's Raph. I'm 7 months on T, 4 months post-op, and today I'm going to talk about how I'm healing, how I'm feeling, and how I'm looking 4 months after top surgery. Not too much has changed, I don't think, but I figured might as well still document it because why not? I've broken it down into 3 parts. I'm going to talk about pain, sensation, and appearance, and then we'll just conclude the video from there. Number 1, pain. I don't typically feel pain day to day, but when I'm really digging in with my scar massage, occasionally I'll feel like a little bit of discomfort, a little bit of pain. It's not really like a day-to-day hindrance to me. Occasionally I will feel twinges of like electric kind of like sharp pains on random parts of my chest, and that's basically just my nerves continuing to come back from the grave. Number 2, sensation. As more and more time goes by and as I heal and recover further and further along, I continue to get more and more sensation throughout my chest. It's still weird along the nipples. It's worse on the right than it is on the left. And it's of course still not really the same as it was pre-op. It's probably never gonna be the same, and that's fine. Yeah, a part of me does still grieve a little bit for like the level of sensation I used to have before surgery, but like, that's the price to pay for a chest that I feel much happier about overall. And in general, touch is still fairly muted, but like I feel pressure most concretely, like out of all the different kinds of sensation. As for temperature, I haven't quite really like put that to the test just yet, and I haven't really noticed any reaction from my nipples to the cold the way other people have mentioned with their nipple grafts. Number 3, appearance, and we all know what that means. Shirtless Raph time! Here we go! Left pec, still the MVP, doing really well. Right pec, doing his best. And we're gonna give him credit where it's due because he'll get there eventually. Hopefully. And among the reasons why the left pec is the MVP is look how well his scars are healing. They're getting so much more pale. They're getting so much more flat. Like, I'm genuinely impressed with how well this is looking so far, and I'm really happy about it. And to be fair, my right pec is also improving a lot. Like, this part that was bothering me for a good little while is doing so much better. It's a lot less swollen and it's not so raised anymore. So I'm hoping like it'll continue to improve as I like work on it with scar massage and as it just heals on its own, and also as I start to build more muscle to improve the overall shape of these things. My nipples are also still very asymmetrical, but I do feel like they're less asymmetrical, or at least more parallel, because when this side was so much more swollen, felt like my nipple was really low compared to the other side, and so now I feel like they're a lot more parallel, so that does give me some peace of mind. I do want to like look into getting 3D tattoos to like fix the shape a little bit, get them a little bit more natural looking. I do still have like the pointiness over here that is bugging me, but like it's bugging me slightly less, I think. And I did talk to my surgeon last week and I asked about like revisions and stuff like that, and he did say to wait till the 1-year mark before making any decisions. He also said to double down on scar massage because that should help with a lot of like the issues I'm having with the bumps and the swelling and stuff like that. Also, on my 1-month follow-up with him a million years ago, I did ask like if losing weight and building muscle would improve the overall look of things, and he did say that they would. And I'm starting to hit a point where I'm seeing some improvement because of the workouts I've been doing. I've been putting in a lot of work to improve my shoulders and my back. I've been doing scap pull-ups, inverted rows, and I really feel like it's starting to pay off because at the backs of my scars, I'm seeing a lot of improvement because of the muscles I'm building here, and I'm really happy with how that is improving. Overall, I'm feeling pretty good about how things are looking and how things are healing, and I'm happy about having a flat chest. Yes, I do have some issues with some parts, like I'm really unhappy with my right side at times, and it does bug me how they're not symmetrical at all, and it does bug me how I have so much like extra fat and stuff over here, and I'm hoping it's just swelling and it's not like leftover fat. I'm also hoping just building muscle will help, and I'm also hoping that like eventually I can get a revision to like fix it if it still bothers me. So I've just been trying to get myself to be more patient and take things a day at a time and just chill and to focus on what I can change, and what I can change is my fitness, my exercising and stuff like that, and I have been doing that, and I honestly feel like it is starting to pay off, and that has been helping me feel a little bit more at peace with how things are looking. Hopefully this video was interesting or entertaining or not boring. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing because that will make you like 10 times hotter just because you're subscribed to me. I'm kidding. You don't have to. That's fine. Bye.